Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to stretch out your hip flexors. This is a really gentle, easy stretch in case you're really tight in your hip flexors. And it's really easy to do on the couch or even better in a bed. You're going to basically lay down. I'm going to use this table here. You're going to lay down on your back and you're going to sit kind of like if you're on the couch or the bed or whatever, scoot your butt to kind of be on the edge of the piece of furniture. And you're going to lay back like this. On a chiropractic table or a couch, your leg isn't going to hang as much if you're like taller like me, so you're not going to feel it as well. But the goal is to kind of have your leg like kind of hang off the bed so that it's not touching the floor. What you can do, what I've done, is you can bend your knee even more and just kind of push your foot downward to try to make your foot have full contact on the ground. I am getting a stretch in here, and what you can do next is you can kind of lean away from the leg that's on the ground and get a deeper pull into this psoas, and right in here feels really good for loosening up the hip. So loosening up your hip's really good for your hip, obviously, but it can also help with knee pain, and it can help with low back pain as well. So go ahead and try that stretch out, and thanks so much for watching this video. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.